How to use the OR gate HD74HC32P chip. This is the chip, a quad 2-input OR gate, 4 independent gates on one chip. The logic behind the OR gate is output is high when at least one input is high, either one, or both. Only both low gives you low out. What you need for this showcase is the chip, 2 buttons, 2 10K resistors, one for each button, one LED, a 100 ohm resistor for the LED, and a breadboard, and some 5V power. Standard 14-pin chip. Pin 14 is VCC, pin 7 is ground. I'm using gate 1, inputs on pins 1 and 2, output on pin 3. Each button connects to 5V on one side, the other side goes to the input pin with a 10K pull down resistor to ground. No button is pressed, input is low, press it high. LED on pin 3 through a 100 ohm resistor. Neither button LED is off, press one, LED is on. Press the other, on, both together, still on. One state turns it off, everything else turns it on. That's what separates OR from AND. AND needs both inputs, OR just needs any. That makes it useful when you want something to trigger from multiple sources. A fan that turns on if either a temperature sensor or a manual switch fires, for example. I posted the wiring on my site if you want a cleaner reference. Link is in the description. If you build something with this, drop it in the Discord. Link is below. Leave a comment if you have a question. Bye.